Some your party do so.
Yeah, go follow them. Most of them are going 7 o'clock.
Go, go, go.
Go enter, go enter. Don't let them go. Don't let them recover.
Backstab them, backstab them.
Nice one so far. Go push until
Them.
7, until crystal 7. Sorry. I'm stuttering.
They're at the arc. They're at the... Just clash with them.
Yep. Backstabbing.
Clearance.
Hela, go put them shoes.
Shoes.
You can take over.
Wipe them. Good job. Just kill them. Okay, Monarchs is on the arc, ah. Don't go beyond the arc. Okay, go back now. Go to the entry in front of the safe zone. Entry in front of the safe zone. Go back, guys. Entry. If claw entry in front of the safe zone, Boa.
Copy. They're going 6 o'clock now.
Chase them, claw. I'm doing something, Santi. Chase them. Ano nyo, kaya yung gagawin yung lang gusto nyo. Okay, go to the middle. Just chase them. Apex, just chase Omnia at the right side, ah.
Omnia at 6.
Okay, very good.
Yeah.
Claw in Boa, they're at the 6 o'clock now. Just chase them. Go to 6, guys. Go to 6. Everyone go to 6 now. Go up, platform 6. 6 o'clock. Quickly, go there. Clash with them at 6. Take the crystal at 6 if you have to. If you die, just go back quickly. 5 o'clock entry. My Vic, you're online but you're AFK. I see you at the entry. Go to 6, guys. Go to 6. Infinite staking 6. Let's recover 6. Take it, Exojack 6. Camp them. Go to 6. All Exojack now. Summon to 6. Wormhold at 6. Cut Cafe up. Go to 6. Go to 6, everyone. Retake 6. Manual reso, please. Manual reso. I'm summoning my party. Go to 6 now. Take 6. Everyone take 6. Pray your DPS, please. Fight them in front of the stairs, of the 6. Pincer them. Can everyone summon them at their crystal number 6? Go to 6. Expel them quickly. Doomsday, I want Doomsday on the front side. Please. Manual reso, guys, so there's a lot of lives. They're dying. Hela. Kick them now. Take 6 now. Take 6. Expel them, guys. Doomsday, please. Performer on their stack. Fields. Manual reso. Move forward. Cut Cafe up. They just keep on respawning. We're going to come kill them in here. Summon your party at the backline. Reach the backline, guys. They're just keep on coming back. Hela dog, please. Performer. Pressure them. Go back. That's their anchor point now, 6. Just go back if you die. Just go back. It's okay. They're now on the middle arc. Guys. Backstab them now. Cut Cafe up. Fight them. Clearance, please, clearance. Performer. Good job so far. Pressure them. Fight them on the middle arc. Fight them. Backstab them, guys. Full guild, please. Cut Cafe up. Middle arc. I want one party to retake crystal number 6 now. Go fight them. Backstab them now. Okay. Now go down. Go to 6 now. Go to 6. Everyone go up 6. Go up 6 now. Everyone go up 6. Take 6. Take 6. Take 6. Take 6. Check your gears. Check your gears. Go to 6. Up to 6. Up to 6. 4 more. Deep. Hela, no near dog. Cut cafe up. Cut cafe up. Take 6. Take 6. Take 6. Make it move. Make it move. Stay on the stairs or take 6. Just those two positions. Continuously fight. It's a little bit lag na. Just continuously fight, guys. Continuously fight. I got expelled. Go back. Guys, please use your cat cafe, yeah. Continuously use your cat cafe. Check your gears, ha. There's a lot of Nuka users on that Omni, yeah. Go back again. Summon back. If you check your party and then they're at the safe zone, summon them back. Continuously pressure them. Fight. Continuously pressure them. Go back, guys. Left and right. Okay, they're now at the middle arc again. Klo, I want you to take the crystal number 6. Take it now. Fight now. Cut cafe up. Guys, fate pray, please. Fate pray your performers and your Jurmons. Clearance on the stack. Fight Omnia, they're on the middle arc now. Wipe them. Summon your party. Backstab them, they're going to crystal number 3 now. Summon them. Summon your party. Klo, take crystal number 6. Okay, everyone now. Backstab them. Going to the middle arc now. Klo. We're backstabbing them. Move a little bit forward on the arc. They're now trying to take crystal number 3. Take now. Klo. Please take crystal number 6. Okay, it flipped already. Good job. Apex and Bawa, hold the middle arc now. Apex and Bawa, hold the middle arc. Okay. Hold the middle arc. After you take crystal number 6, Klo, go to the safe zone in front of left side, 7 o'clock. Fight now. Just fight. Okay. Don't go behind the middle arc, guys. Don't go behind the middle arc. Monarchs is defending there. Klo. Left entry. Boa. Right entry. Apex, right entry in front of the safe zone, left side. I'm checking now where they're going to be moving. Klo, move to the 7. It's moving. Apex and Boa, go to the right arc. Because we have a jump point here. Okay, Infinite now. Everyone jump to crystal number 6. Infinite now going to the middle arc. Jump to 6, everyone. Jump to 6. Fight them at 6. Cut cafe up. Summoning my party again. We're wiping them. Go to 6, guys. Fight them at 6. Go to 6. Cut cafe up, please. Good job. Okay, Boa, go back to crystal number 8. Retake crystal number 8, Boa. Take crystal number 8. Boa, take crystal number 8. Don't go beyond the middle arc. Yeah.
Bawa, go 8.
Boa, take the Apex, take 8 also. We can always jump to 6 if you have to. Boa, Apex, take 8. Ina nyo Ano?
Off guild at 8, bro. Aside from Omnia.
It's okay. Just take it. Just take it, guys.
Copy, copy. Come on, Bawa, try to push going
Klo,
8.
Klo, Klo, Klo. Go take 7. Go, Klo, go take 7. No, no, no. It's okay. Nothing is going to be perfect, Def. We're going to get one small later, and then we're going to Def. Don't worry. If we will not have walk, we will rest on Sunday. Don't be scared, guys. Yeah, we will no walk them. Yeah, they have a lot of elf. Klo, 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 take 7. Wipe them at 7. Apex and Bawa, take 8. You cannot take 8.
It's a little bit hard to penetrate.
Oh, need loop. Okay. Just hold the arc then.
Copy.
Okay. This one is being taken on by Monarch anyway.
Okay, so, Infinite Summon from 8. So, yeah. They're fighting. I think they wipe off guild already.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, everyone go now to the right arc. Everyone go to the right arc. They give up already. Go to the right arc now. Speed kick, fast kick now. Speed kick, fast kick. Right arc, right arc, right arc. Right arc. Fight them at the arc. Fight them now. Backstab them, backstab them. They already moved to the crystal number 5. Move them now, move them. Backstab them now. They're already here. Cut cafe up, cut cafe up. Summon your party. Backstab them. They're moving crystal number 5 now. Cut cafe up. Clearance, 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 Saints, clearance. Fight them, fight them. 50 seconds. No, no. Move down. Don't go to 5. Don't go to 5.
Don't go 5, don't go 5. Nice.
Nice one. 30 seconds. Don't go
Should
to
we
5,
take
guys.
should we take 8, bro?
Yeah, retake 8, retake 8 now. Retake 8, retake 8. Go to 8. Good suggestion. Go to 8, go to 8. They're already going back here. Go to 8, go to 8. Oh, this is only fans. Farm them, farm them, farm them. Alloys, alloys, alloys. Farm, 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 farm. Good job, guys. Good job. I'm pissed off this Infinite They made our life difficult, guys Okay, 3 seconds. Good job.
Nice.
Okay, everyone, go now. There's only few perfect def. Go now. Cycle break now. Good job, guys. Good job. Objective attained. Let's defend this, guys. Let's defend this. Expel them quickly, expel them quickly if you see one. Everyone stand up at crystal number 3 first. Okay, everyone jump to crystal number 2 now. Jump to 2, jump to 2. Good job. Dami pa pala exo dito sa mga to. Expel them quickly, expel them quickly. Okay, run back to 3 for those who have already expelled them. You cannot cycle break us, guys. We're going to lock in all the agits now. Expel them. I still see a red dot here. Okay, Apex stand at 1. Apex stand at 1. Boa stand at 2. Claude stand at 3. Claude stand at 3. Thirteen minutes. Nice one. Close stand at 3, infinite coming, Boa in Apex, get ready. We might ask you to jump at 3. Close stand at 3 first. You are the sacrifice. Stand at 3, vision syrup up. I see fields. Hold 3. Hold 3, Claw. Boa, Apex, your positions. Put your fields, guys. You don't have to wait. Put your fields quickly. Especially the CMs. We're going to pump our score a little bit lower now. That's why we're going to occupy the small agit. So that we don't be within the top 100. And then it's easier to defend it also next week. Yeah, let them defend for us. Decodes volunteer to defend for us. Same logo, forget me not. Yeah, I agree. They're also both weak. Joke lah. Oh, grounded. Look at that, grounded. Just hold the positions, guys. Hold the position. Let me remind you guys, all close should stand up at crystal number 3. Not the garden, not the cafeteria, not the canteen, but crystal number 3. All Apex, crystal number 1, and all Boa, crystal number 2. Reminder lang po. Okay. It's easier to fight when you're all together, not all over the place. Thank you. 11 minutes. Let me check what's happening to our previous front. That is front 30. Okay, 7C went there. Moraders, 16 Nolan, perfect depth. Okay, yeah. Get ready. Omnia here now. Fight them. Claw, fight them. Expel quickly. Okay, very good. Okay. Someone is defend on the right side. That is Monarchs. Decodes the middle arc. Just stay on your lanes, guys. 1, 2, 3. Hope is also here. If you die, just go back. 10 minutes to death. We have Hope also coming inside. You just need to do crystal jumps here. It's just three crystals, guys. 3 crystals. If you die, just go back to the middle portal. Don't move around. Don't move around. There's a lot of guilds outside of the crystals. Someone pulled me. Puta. They have a lot of elf. They pulled me.
Okay. Infinite incoming. Crystal 2.
Okay, everyone jump to everyone no, don't not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet. Buff up, buff up, buff up. Okay, jump to 2 now. Everyone jump to 2. Cut cafe up, cut cafe up. Cut cafe up. Jump to 2. Cut cafe up, summon your party. We have don't worry, Michael. We're defending Valkyrie Big. We're defending Valkyrie Big, guys. Monarchs is chasing Omnia. Please use your cat cafe, everyone. I'm not sure why you're not using your cat cafe. That should be an easy death a while ago. Defending now, defending Valkyrie Big. Defending Valkyrie Big. Go to your positions now. Yeah, it's okay. Light, can you roam around? Can you roam around? Check the agits of Omnia. Glow jump to 8. Glow jump to 8. Glow jump to 8. Glow jump to 8. Napaka-bobo nitong bagong interface na Live Now. Putang ina nga, yung sa minimap. Glow jump to 8. I always click it. I always click it. That's why I'm always leaving the map. Because of that interface. Who wants to... Nobody's complaining about it. Yeah. Apex jump to 7. Okay. Killed them already. Apex go to the front of crystal number 7. Boa go to the in front of crystal number 8. The arc.
Copy. Infinite coming from 8, huh? Right side. Going to 8 now.
Okay. Okay, everyone. Cut cafe up, jump to 8. Jump to 8. Everyone jump to 8. Infinite's coming to 8. It's moving already. If you die, go back to 4. Let them take 8. Everyone go back to 4. Jump to 4, guys. Jump to 4. Infinite is taking 4. There's a lot of people here at 4. Jump to 4 now, jump to 4. Give 8 already. Jump to 4. Okay, we got 4. Expel them quickly. That's the key. Guys, expel them quickly.
Daddy, don't mind me shouting. I'm just serious.
Okay, jump to 2 afterwards. Ang dami itong infinite na to ah. Jump to 2. Jump to 2, guys. Summon your party if you cannot see them on crystal. Jump to 2. Expel quickly, expel quickly. If you see issues, expel quickly. Okay, good job. Okay, everyone. Expel quickly, expel quickly. Jump to 4. Jump to 4, it's moving. Okay, good job. Expel quickly again, expel quickly. Okay. Move towards the left arc now. After you go to 4, go left arc, left arc. In front of crystal number 7. Move there, move there. Okay. Okay, cut cafe up. Jump to 5. Jump to 5, jump to 5. It's moving very fast. Okay, infinite is here. Jump to 5, jump to 5. Cut cafe up, cut cafe up. Go to 5, go to 5, go to 5. Damn. It's so many. I don't know how continuous summon they have. Ah, okay. SC is also here, guys. SC is also here. And Hope is also here. Go back middle arc. Ah, go back middle portal. And then jump to crystal number 2. Go to 2, go to 2, go to 2. Put your fields up. Go to Emp now. Wipe them, wipe them, wipe them. Wipe them. Yeah, they're already at the Emp. Go now to... Ah, okay. They're also cycle breaking. Let's go back here. Let's break this again. Let's break this again. Break this again. Infinite's taking this. Everyone rush to the Emp box na, all claw. Infinite's taking the Luina small again. Emp box na, all claw, all claw. Break this from boost.
Okay, breaking Greenwood big.
Okay, good job. Greenwood small, Apex. Oh, Greenwood big. This should be claw, ah. Claw, break the Luina small.
Okay. Greenwood big done. What then? Greenwood small.
After you broke Greenwood big, go to Valkyrie medium. Go to Valkyrie medium.
Copy.
Break it from Spider. Yeah.
Boa, bulk mid.
Just defend it, guys, ah. The one assigned to you. Just defend it. I think the entire stack is capable to defend it against small kills. After you take the medium, we will.
Hello, can you hear me? What was the last one, bro? It was that.
Medium, everyone group to. Break Valkyrie medium and then everyone else go to Valkyrie medium. Valkyrie big. We will break infinite with monarchs. Run. Go to 1 or Impax. Yeah. We will break this one. Go to crystal number 1. 1. Don't go to 3 or 4. Just go 1. Directly to 1 and then break the M. Idin ako agad. Go to 1. Taking 1. Okay, count now at the M box. We should take this one. Monarchs will be just chasing Infinite. Infinite goes at crystal number 2. Break it now, taking 1, taking 1. They're at the M box, ah. After you take 1, just break the M, guys. Stay at crystal number 1 for now. Everyone, all Infinite goes is at the M box. Take 1 and then break. Break now, guys. Break now. Should be able to break it. Break. Break, please. Okay, good job. Break now. Okay, everyone defend. Nice one, Storm. Yeah, let Infinite do the cycle breaking. Apex stand up at 4. Claw 3. Boa 5. Check equips, yes, check equips. There are a lot of Nuka users. Sake grass juice ulit, guys, ah. It's sake grass juice again, please. It's 20% damage. Yeah, Monarchs is the one chasing the Infinite Omnia. We'll do another cycle break 5 minutes before. Def for now. But on the final minute, we will break Lumina's Mola. Ah. Kill them. Claw. There's one sniping us from the right side, oh. That's Rojak. Ah. Don't fight them. Just move to the left side. They're defending the right arc. Incoming at 5. Please tell the guild, Omega Supreme, who is coming to 5. Rojak is our alliance, ah. Yeah. There are our allies. Just stay at 3. I asked them to move out. Yeah, okay. We are the one getting sniped. Huwag kayo papayag. Patayin nyo. There's a German hero, Klo. Sniping us. Don't worry. We will just delay this a little bit and then we're gonna be umi-score. Yeah, I think Omnia would be coming back here. 12 minutes. Yeah, let ghosts go around. We're going to avoid them actually. Because we don't want to waste our time with non-agit threat. Klo, just snipe Rojak. Joke lang. Deacons is at the left side. They're moving. They're going to... yeah. Let me snipe them. Okay, Ghost now is at the left side, guys. Okay, everyone walk. Going now to crystal number 5. Go to 5, go to 5. Jump to 5, jump to 5. Klo, don't can snipe. Jump to 4, guys. Jump to 4. Jump to 4, jump to 4. To 4 on the left side. Just ping them around. And if you die, go enter at the middle portal, please. If you die, go to the middle portal. Ghost is at the northern side of 5. Don't mind them. They're not a threat. If you die, just go enter the middle portal. Stay here at the safe zone. It's safe here. You will not die here. Yeah. We will just jump on the M. I think Omnia is not moving around. Is that right? Oh, don't snipe the codes. I told you, I hate the live icon. I got victimized by that today by more than 5 times already. 7 minutes, guys. 7 minutes. Nomar, are you still there? Can you check Luwina Small, bro? How many minutes? Nomar?
Copy.
Hello? Pabili Yellow? Okay, bro. Thank you.
Lewin.
Luwina Small, bro. We are at 4, Everyone should be at 4, Ghost coming 3. Okay, everyone jump to 2. Everyone jump to 2. Avoid that ghost. Jump to 2, jump to 2.
Lewin
Huh?
4 minutes.
4? 1 4? 4 minutes, bro.
Yep, 4 minutes until PDEF. I'll try to.
Okay, all claw. Please break Luwina Small. All claw. Break Luwina Small. Apex and Bawa defend this one. All claw. Luwina Small, please. Okay, Ghost is at 2. Jump to 4. Jump to 4, guys. Jump to 4. If you die, just go back again. It's okay. Just wait here for now. How many minutes for the Omnia? They have 2 fronts, right? Okay, they have 2 fronts. They're going to do last minute attack, guys. That's why we need to have 2 fronts. All claw. Break Luwina Small. All claw. Break Luwina Small. And then Apex and Bawa just defend this Valkyrie big. Sorry. Claw, are you breaking it already? Did you tap it?
Taking 1 already.
Taking 1. Can you break it last 2 minutes, bro? Just hold it and then break it last 2 minutes.
Yep, but there's a resistance from boost.
Okay, then break them now. Yeah, break them now.
Copy. Claw, break them now.
Claw, break them now.
Even potatoes. Even carrots. Even potatoes you don't like.
They will break it again, and then after they break it again, we will break it one last time. It's still 3 minutes.
Boy,
No,
137
Valk
to
Large is
TD,
just 4 minutes, guys. It's just... Huh?
Hello?
Yes?
There.
Broken already?
I'm not sure. I got expelled.
Everyone, break Luina small.
Full guild to.
Okay. 20%. Breaking. Nice claw.
Claw, break. Luina small.
Okay, broken. Nice one claw.
Okay, everyone go back here. Valk Large.
Full guild versus claw. Nice one.
Yeah, I think they're just going to defend until last minute, Omnia. 2 minutes, guys. 2 minutes. All Exojak, just defend this one. Just defend this. Last 2 minutes. Nomar, can you stay out our prep camp? Let me know if Omnia is coming.
Copy. Bark large, right?
Yeah, Valk Large, bro.
Copy.
2 minutes, 2 minutes. Everyone else go inside, 2 minutes, 2 minutes.
Yeah, all good for now. Monarch and Rojak only.
Okay. Okay, 1 minute.
Why is there being like that?
1:30. Ano, naka 9 kills lang ako.
Still clear, yeah.
Hirap mag-ano kapag delay talaga. Auto attack. You have 200 kills, B? Good job. Okay, 1 minute. I think this is good already. Just do full def.
Okay, so get ready. They might come here, but yeah, I don't see any. Only few infinite
Yeah.
ghost. Yeah, only few, maybe just around 1 to 2 party. Infinite ghost.
Okay, it's already PDF.
Okay. Nice.
Yeah, GG, well played, guys. 10 seconds. Okay, GG, well played, everyone. Very good. Good job. GG, well played. Ina nyo, ah. Okay, thank you very much, guys. See you on Walk on Sunday. It's going to be a little bit easier because we have 4-way Moon last week. GG, well played. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you very much. Sorry if I'm a little bit strict, but we have to do
Are we
that
going to
to
take
get
Luina
back
Small,
our
bro?
pace.
For this
Ha?
week? Luina Small for this week?
Ano? Hindi. Na-break nila yung Luina Small eh.
Nakuha. Okay.
Na-break eh. Oo, makakawalk yan bro kasi ano, marami sila na-break. It's difficult for us.